Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to NCX Tech. In this quick video, I'll show you how to run a Python script on Linux. First, make sure Python is already installed, and for this, open up your terminal and type this command python 3 space dash dash version. And if it shows a version number, then you are good to go. Otherwise, you need to install Python first. Now let's create a simple Python script. I'll open a text editor and type this print hello world and then save it as test.py. And now in order to run this script, you need to open the terminal and navigate to the folder where you saved it and type the command python 3 test.py. And now run this command, and there it is. Your Python script runs successfully. And that's it for this quick tutorial. So I hope you found this video useful, and if so, please like and share the video, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.